Hello, children. How are you all? I hope each and every one of you is doing great. Children, as you all know, that because of COVID 19, we have again started our virtual classes. I am Anshu Singh and I am going to teach you EVS. But before I start my lesson, I request you all to keep your EVS book and a pencil with you and open page number 7 of your EVS book. Once you are through with the video, please read the lesson and correlate the things from video. Children, today we are going to study a very important lesson, that is changes in family life. It is our lesson number 1. In this lesson, we are going to study about these points. Different types of family. Your mother as a child. Where do babies come from? Adoption and foster parents. Children, have you ever think why your home is special to you? Can you go to your friend's house every day after your school? No, you cannot. You know why? Because at your home, your family is there for you. Family? What is family, children? In this slide, I have described the term family in a different way. Just listen to me. F. We have fun in our family. A. We always appreciate each other. M. We make happy memories. I. We have faith always. L. We show our love. Y. Our family is forever. Family is the basic unit of society. It is the most essential part of a person's life. Family fulfills our needs, and apart from fulfilling our basic needs, it also gives us support whenever we need it. It cheers up when you feel down, and family celebrate with you on your achievements. The whole family always stand in our support whenever we need it. Family help us to grow in life. We learn values like honesty, kindness from our elders. Our parents show us value of hard work. We also see and learn many other things from family members like tradition, sharing, etc. These lessons help us as children to be a better person in future. Now children, I hope you all have understood that how important a family is. In short, we can say families are loving and caring. Families have father, mother, grandparents, uncle, aunt, siblings. Families like to play, have fun, eat together, etc. Now we are going to study about different types of family. A family may be big or small depending on the number of members it has. In this lesson, we are going to study about 3 types of family. First, nuclear family. Second, joint family. And third, extended family. Nuclear family. Nuclear family consists of father, mother and their children. It is a small family. Sometimes both the parents in a nuclear family go out to work. So they face a lot of problem to look after their children. If any parents is facing such problem, they used to keep their babies at creche. Creche is a place where babies or small children are taken care of while their parents are working. Or such children stay with nannies. Nannies are women who take care of young children at the latter's own house. Joint family. A joint family consists of parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and their children living together. It is a big family. Extended family. An extended family is a family in which all members of the family do not share the same house. This family sometimes includes relatives from both mother's and father's side. Members of mother's family are known as maternal relatives and members of father's family are known as paternal relatives. Everyone needs to do something to earn for their livelihood. So, when they get a better option in the other places, they go for it. Thus, different family members of the same family to go different cities for occupations. As a result, joint families are decreasing in number, while nuclear families are increasing. The members of a joint family who live away from their parental home come together on festive occasions or to join family functions such as wedding. Family gathering on such occasion expresses the bond they share. Your mother as a child. We all are born of our mother. Our mother is a very important person in our life. Not only important, she is very special for us because she works round the clock without any complaints to keep us happy. Mother's life before and after marriage was different. You just sit with your mother for 15 to 20 minutes and find out her education, hobbies, circle of friends, and ambition. Try to find out her favorite game, her favorite food. She will feel very happy when you will ask these questions to her. As we all know that our mother is our first teacher because mother teaches us everything. She teaches her child how to think, how to live, how to walk, how to resolve problems, about relationship, everything we learn from our mother. So we should be thankful to our mother for her sacrifices. Where do babies come from? Do you know how the babies or young ones of human beings and animals are born? Animals reproduce directly or by laying eggs. The process by which living beings give birth to their babies is called reproduction. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their milk are called mammals. Babies come from their mother's body. A human baby stays in its mother's body for 9 months. During this time, the baby gets its food through a tube inside the mother's body. This tube is called umbilical cord. This is a nutritional tube that connects baby and its mother. After the baby is born, the mother takes care of it till it learns to do things on its own. The birth of a baby is an occasion to celebrate in every family. Like human beings, some animals also give birth to their young ones directly. Dogs, cats, cows, monkeys, etc. are some of these animals. The birds, insects, fish, and reptiles lay eggs and their babies hatch from those eggs. Adoption and foster parents. Children, we should be thankful to God because we are blessed with our parents. There are many children who lost their parents due to natural disasters, wars, and accidents. Such children are called orphans. Orphans live in orphanage. Orphanage is a kind of home for such children. Apart from this, there are some children who are neglected by their parents. These children are taken care by some voluntary organization and government agencies. Voluntary organization is a non-profit making organization which is set up for helping people. There are some couple who don't have child. They can adopt a child legally. People adopt children for different reasons. Like some people adopt orphans because they don't have child. Some others adopt because their own children are died. Some adopt because they want to give a home to orphans. The process by which couples become legal parents of a child who was not born to them is called adoption. The child taken for adoption is called an adopted child. When a couple take care of a child without becoming his or her legal parents, they are called foster parents. But children, there is a difference between foster parents and adoptive parents. Foster care is a temporary commitment and adoption is a permanent commitment. Means when parents become a foster parents of a child, they take care of a child without becoming their legal parent. So all the authorities, all the legal authorities of the child is not passed to those parents. But when they have adopted the child, they have taken that child lifetime commitment to take care of that child. Activity time. There is an activity for you children. In this activity, you have to write the members of your extended family. This activity is related to extended family. Means the relative who don't share the same house with you. There are 4 brackets. First is for father's side and second is for mother's side. In the first, where father's side is mentioned, there are 2 small bracket with yellow color. In that you have to write father's sister's name and father's brother's name, and the both side you have to write the name of your cousins. Just below that, same thing you have to repeat with your mother's relative. You have to write the name of your mother's sister as well as mother's brother and your cousins. At last, I would like to tell you children that apart from Fulfilling our basic needs, our family gives us an identity. We should love and respect our family. Our family is not an important thing, it is everything for us. Thank you, children.